In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the store closing time module. So the store closing time module enables you to regulate the shopping time for your customers. So if you don't want them to be able to place orders at a specific time, you can use this module to do that. So what we'll do now to set up the module is we navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, we select modules. So here we'll proceed to choose the store design category and then search for the store closing time module. So you can see it here. So we go ahead and install and edit it. So I click on the edit button. So the next thing I do is I proceed to enable it and save. So once I've done this, I'll have to proceed to the settings page to set up the store closing time. So to do that, we navigate to store management section and select settings. So here you can see that in the settings page, a new option has been added called closing time. So we go ahead and select it. So here we'll have to proceed to set up the module by entering the necessary information and enabling the status here. So let's go ahead and do that. So for the closing time message, so we type this, we say so this is just an example. So you can type in any message you want your customers to see when they try to place order in your store. So I set this as the message that they'll see. So we proceed. So here we can proceed to enable the status so that the opening and closing time settings will be active in the checkout page. So we set this as enabled. We can leave this, or if we tick this and save, so this will disable the settings that we have done here. If we want to override the settings, so this will automatically disable the checkout page, but we will not do that. So we leave this. So we now proceed. So here we'll now set up the opening and closing time. So we say from, let's say from 6 a.m. to say from to let's say 11 p.m. All right. So after setting that up, here we can set up holiday dates. So this will also override the settings that we've put here. So we leave this. We are not setting this up for now. So here we can also add the time zone. You know, if your time, if the current time is different from your time zone, you can go ahead and add your time zone here. So for more information about the time zone, you can click on this button. So for this example, I won't change the time zone. So I proceed to save. All right. So now that we've saved, we can proceed to also adjust the closing time again. So I go ahead, since my current time is 17:45, so let's change this to, we change the time to, let's say 15, so that's 3 p.m. and then save again. So let's check this in the store front end. All right, so we refresh the page. So let's try and place an order and see if it would work. Okay, so we proceed to checkout. All right, so you see that the checkout page has been disabled and the message that we entered earlier is now visible here. So let's go back to the home page. This is an example on how you can set up the store opening and closing time module. Thank you for watching.